Hello, myself Bhagyashree Chakrabarti. Specially, I am a social teacher handling grade 8, 9, 10 of the sports school. So today I'm going to tell few techniques or few tips about board examination. So when we hear this word board examination, for students it's a fear. So don't worry children, it's not a fear. If you know some techniques, if you know some tips, it will help you surely to achieve good results in social. Specifically in social, what you have to do is, you have to read the question paper thoroughly and calculate the time. So like 1 marker questions, 3 marker questions, 5 marker questions are there, right? So don't waste any time. You just use that reading time properly to analyze which questions you can, which questions you can't. And starting with your paper, just start to write the answers where you are confident, very confident. I'll tell you something. In 3 marker questions, if you are going to write, suppose paragraph wise, so you need to do at least 80 words, which is very mandatory. So I'll suggest you better take up the path of point wise. Okay. So point wise, if 3 markers, at least mandatorily make it as a 4 points, and that too elaboration, because social, it leads with history, economics, geography, civics. And when we say history, of course, you have to write and explain. So yeah, so when you sit for social exam, just do not worry, revise the maps, okay, the locations, and also go through the papers thoroughly after you finish it, because revision after the question is mandatory. So after you revise, you will get to know that which questions you have left out. And the last important thing children, do not forget to mention section, question number and sub question number properly, and try to write all the questions, attempt all the questions, because you know what, if you attempt also, you will get the marks. Okay, so all the very best for your upcoming exam, and I know definitely you will get the success. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Shruti, handling mathematics at the sports school for grades 7 to 10. And all of us know our board exams are coming up, and as you hear the word board exams, you will have the fear in you. So let's now see how to tackle this fear and get success. So firstly, confidence is very important. Yeah, so be confident, go through the formulas thoroughly, especially in math. So if you're thorough with the formulas, you get confidence. That means you've learned almost 75% of the syllabus if you're done with the formulas, concepts. And then the second thing is time management. So time management is very important, and as a teacher I would always suggest you to start your exams from the last section, because it carries the most of the marks in last section. So it's always better start from the last section. And mathematics, as you know, it's all of calculation mode, so please draw a rough column for all the calculations. Do your rough calculations in the rough column, do not leave out anything, or do not do any calculations mentally and write a wrong answer, or you might skip a number. So do the calculations in the rough column and write it in the sheet. So being confident is very important, time management. So all these would help you in getting success in your board examination. So all the best, do well.
Hello children, myself Kavita from PSS. I handle science. So tips for the exam. First thing, what you need to, still you have only 1 month time. So you can just completely read the NCERT book, don't skip that one. Second point, when you see the paper, don't get panic, be calm. Begin from the last section D, complete that, and then go to section C. Like that you need to proceed. And the last point, during the examination, that is before 1 day or before few hours, Don't prepare any new concepts. Prepare well. All the best.